Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing the watch to get real power. Place it on a working Apple magnetic charger and confirm the cable and adapter are live. Once charging, clean the back and align the magnet so contact is solid. This ensures the battery can take a charge. Make sure you leave it undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes to build enough charge to exit power reserve. If you skip this, the watch won't respond when you try to reboot. Once the charger has given the watch some juice, try exiting power reserve by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can take 10 to 15 seconds. If nothing happens, perform a force restart by holding both the side button and the digital crown together until you see the logo. Make sure the watch remains on the charger during these steps so the battery doesn't drop too low mid-reboot. You should see the red bolt disappear. If the reboot works, allow the watch to charge to about 80% before returning to normal use so the battery stabilizes. If the red bolt and time remain, swap chargers and cables or try a known good outlet to rule out a faulty charger. One key troubleshooting tip. If hardware charging fails repeatedly, the battery or charging coil may be faulty. Don't attempt internal repairs. Contact Apple support or an Apple store for diagnostics and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.